Hola clase. Vamos a hablar hoy sobre los números en español. We're going to talk today about the numbers in Spanish. Ya sabes probablemente los números desde 1 hasta 15 o al menos hasta 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11. Notice a lot of people want to read that as once, because it looks like the English word once, but you pronounce both syllables. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then if you want to go to 16 through 20, through 21, 16 hasta means to or until, 21. 16, look at how it's spelled out, 10 y 6, which means literally 10 and 6. 17, 18, 19, 20, and then for 21 we get 21. So you're literally saying 20 and 1. The rest of the numbers are additive in the same way. You just add things on. So if we're counting by tens, por 10, 20, and then we would get 21, 22, 23, 24, etc. 30 is 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. 40 is 40, 41, 42, etc., etc. 50 is 50. 60 is 60. 70 is 70. And you have to listen carefully between that 60 and 70. Then we have 80 is 80. 90 is 90. And then we get to 100, which is 100. And you might hear crashing in the background. My neighbors are getting a new roof today, so there's a lot of hammering. 100 is just flat 100. So if it's 100, 100 is just 100. If you're adding anything to it, same process as before. You add the to and then the y, which means and then uno. 101, 102, 103, 104, all the way up. And so you would be putting the 100 in front of any of the tens, in front of any of the ones or teens. Okay? If we want to count by 100s, we put 200. So we're literally saying 200s. 300, 400. Now, I bet you think that 500 is going to be 500. But no, it is not. It's a tricky one. And I'm not sure why. I should probably look that one up. 500. 500 is 500. 600, 700, 800, 900. And 1,000 is 1000. 2,000 would be 2000. 3,000 would be 3000. And so on. For right now, that's as high as I'm going to teach you to count. In class, we talk about years sometimes and miles sometimes. We talk about temperatures. And I don't know that we're ever going to talk about anything that's more than 2,000 degrees, which would be crazy. So, years. Rather than saying 1945, where we break it up for 1945, like in English, we start at the thousands. So, if you were born in 2007, we would call that year 2007. Last year, 2019, is 2019. This year, 2020, is 2020. 1945 was 1945. And if you want to make a guess about how old I am, yo nací, I was born, yo nací en 1969. I'll say that one more time. 1969. Alrighty, that's all I've got for you about the numbers for today. You can always find this document in the references section of Google Classroom. It's the section that you can't change anything on. Adios.